Welcome to Day1 channel. Morning, and I'm going to the Awwwwards Digital Conference, and there are lots of great speakers there that I'm gonna listen to their speaks. And it's basically a visual design and UX UI design conference with lots of great speakers that are coming from popular tech companies and things like that. So let's check it out. It's my first time here, so there's it seems like there's a theater here. So, and we're going to we're going to check in with our ticket. It seems like there's a huge line here. Let me show you. We got lots of goodies here, website stickers. I make websites with Webflow.
So anybody wants a chocolate in the early morning? The further, the better. You want to get nice shots. What's up? I have only 30 for the entire day, so keep going, keep going. Aim all the way in the back, all the way.
On it, along with some practical examples of how to utilize the power of Webflow. I have no real affiliation with Webflow whatsoever. I'm not being paid to promote it, even though that will be cool. No, this came into my life when it did, and that was like 7 years ago, but even today, if you're thinking of trying it out, it's never too late to get into it. I know some of you in the audience might be thinking, come on Joe, look at who you're talking to. Look at all the talent and knowledge in this room. We don't rely on tools like that. Please, we'll be just fine. You're right. You're absolutely right.
To make it even more exciting, a couple months after that, I started working at Locomotive, and almost 2 years have passed already. It's been such an exciting year so far for us at Locomotive. We recently launched a new site and a new brand. Here you have some visuals of results, and we also won Agency of the Year on Awwwwards.
work less and produce more, I had goals really well defined since the beginning of my career. And it is okay if you don't. If you don't have it, it's completely okay. Because we will understand as long as you keep asking questions. I started compiling feedback.
Hey guys, we're here outside to just take a break. The three speaks were done right now, and we're going back after 35 minutes for the rest of the talks. We're getting back into the conference room. We just had a quick brunch, I guess, and because we were dying and we were so hungry, so I just had like an avocado toast, and we're getting back into the design conference.
Fun with it. And then we leaned into those things that really inspired us, or the memories of music and gathering with friends. And so leaning into those analog moments, like digging through a record crate, you know, that tactile feel of what does the sleeve feel like? What does it feel like when you slide the disc out? So come close. Okay, two more. Okay, still good. Still good. Okay, I'll get you.
Holy wow!
Well, it's always difficult to see it. Okay, one more here. Yes! I know. Whew.
I'm going home right now, and tomorrow is the second day. And today there were so many inspiring speakers over there, and I got to talk with the YouTube music design lead, Travis, and it was so fun. I had a small talk with him, and also I met Finke, the YouTuber and product designer, and it was really fun. So I'm gonna get home and just get ready for tomorrow's speaking conferences. There were some like coding speakers, which I didn't like. I prefer to seek for design and visual design related and webflow website design related topics, not coding. But other than that, I really enjoyed everything and the networking side of the speaking.
about budgets and marketing strategies, and no, we'll bring pizzazz to the boardroom. Second, the faith in our intuition. We don't need data or market research to tell us what to do. We just know it. Our gut feeling is our most powerful weapon. As leaders, we'll guide our teams based on pure instinct and our art sensibilities, making bold and daring decisions to leave everyone going, what the? I mean, who needs logic and reason when you have impeccable taste and a sense for design trends? And finally, why? Because we thrive on chaos. We are masters of adapting and navigating through the turbulent waters. I mean, we change our opinion every 2 minutes? Should it be this font? What about that color? A line left? No, center. As leaders, our ability to embrace chaos will create an environment where innovation just flourishes. We can things for hours. And don't forget to spend an entire afternoon debating whether to round the corners to 2 pixels or 3 pixels. What about 4 pixels? Oh, now we're talking. These are the critical decisions that will make or break the user experience. Now, you have to dominate the craft of blame shifting. Never, ever accept responsibility for your mistakes, okay? You are the leader, not the fall guy. Let your design team shout it together. We all shout it together. I'm a designer, I deserve it. I'm a designer, I deserve it. One more time. I'm a designer, I deserve it. Thank you so much.
It's like the Toronto Design Festival and many others. I also host workshops and do a lot of really cool things. So very excited about that. But today, again, speaking about authenticity on the web and how we can make our spaces a bit more authentic. Please, just one more time, and I'm fading away. Give a round of applause to Rudy.